I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 is fully updated and you are on an administrator account so changes stick. Open Device Manager and locate biometric devices. Note any error code or missing driver icon because that tells you the root cause. Once done, export a system restore point. This protects you if a driver change goes wrong. Next, disable fast startup briefly so hardware resets cleanly. These first steps get you into a safe state to repair the scanner. Now you focus on drivers and services. In Device Manager, right-click the fingerprint device, uninstall driver and choose to delete driver software if present, then reboot. Windows may reinstall a clean driver. If that fails, download the OEM biometric driver and install it manually because vendor drivers often restore full functionality. Make sure Windows biometric service is running and set to automatic. Restart it after driver changes. Also check Credential Manager for corrupt entries. Finish by re-enrolling your fingerprints through Settings, Account Sign-in options. Test multiple fingers and angles to confirm reliability. If recognition still fails, run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter and inspect Event Viewer for biometric or driver errors to pinpoint issues. Make sure BIOS biometric settings are enabled. Sometimes the scanner is disabled at firmware level. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, try a different USB port or hub for external readers. If built-in, contact OEM support with error logs and driver versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.